Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to get your customer rating up on DoorDash. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're working on DoorDash and you want to get your customer rating up. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, I've been DoorDashing for quite some time now, and first things first is that when you actually do accept an order and it's delayed, simple communication goes a long way. So simply just sending a quick text if the restaurant is delayed, or if you're waiting longer than expected. Customers really do appreciate just being kept in the loop, and so I basically just make sure I communicate clearly. Next is you want to make sure that you handle food with care, especially drinks. So make sure that the food always stays upright and is sealed and never ripped. Clean professional handoff goes a long way when it comes to delivering food. Now, one of the best things that you can do is that customers tend to leave like a delivery instruction. So for my case, for example, maybe it says leave at the door or hand to the customer. If your delivery instruction says hand to customer, then ideally you want to make sure that you hand it to the customer. And lastly, being on time. So with that, it kind of ties to the first tip in which speed does matter, but you don't want to get a speeding ticket. But at the same time, you want to be able to accept orders that you know you can complete quickly to avoid delays and frustrate customers. And with that, that right there is a pretty simple but effective way to go ahead and get your customer rating up on DoorDash. I hope you found this video helpful, everyone. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below.